I want to give 1,000 US dollars to someone who comments on this video. I'll tell you how to enter at the end. We built this amazing Antec Talk PC for a celebrity. Alien theme was the brief, so we went with an Asus Z590 Strix E paired with an 11900K. Two 2TB Crucial P5 NVMe drives was plenty of storage. EK hooked us up with some wicked water cooling gear to make this build extra special, especially with the 64 gigs of Crucial Ballistics Max memory. There were a lot of modifications we made to the case, from cutting to painting. I ended up installing two EKSE 360 radiators for the cooling. The system needed a high-end Antec signature 1000 watt titanium power supply. This was to power this beefy Asus RTX 3080 Ti Strix GPU cooled by EK water blocks. I had to create lots of new panels for the case and get them painted. I also grimed some up to look acidic. This allowed me to install the EK quantum kinetic reservoirs on the outside. I spent a lot of time designing custom panels in CAD for laser cutting. I installed them onto the case and gave them a nice paint job before some nice airbrush work. Again, I wanted to make it look like acid eating through a spaceship. Amelia helped me out by creating some alien eggs. I brushed them and coated them with some resin to make them look wet. I also airbrushed the 3D printed alien head and put some of that green acidic drool around his mouth. Now to bring this PC together. Yokai Customs made some amazing sleeved cables for the system. We tubed it all up, installed our custom panels, and started to fill the system with some toxic alien drool. Filling is our favorite part. I love watching the liquid flow throughout the system. And here is the final result. We built this PC for Chief Keef. To celebrate, I want to give you a chance at winning 1,000 US dollars. The link to enter is on screen and in our bio.